We have to solve the equation root x plus the root of x minus 5 equal to 5 for x. It simply means we have to look for that value of x such that if we put it here, we simplify, we are going to obtain 5. We take a solution, root x plus root x minus 5 is equal to 5. First, for us to solve this problem, we are going to start by sending root x to the right hand side. This will give us root x minus 5 equal to 5. When root x crosses the equal to sign, it becomes negative root x. The next step now, we are going to square both sides. This will give us the square of root x minus 5 will be equal to 5 minus root x, all this squared. We know this and this will cancel. We'll be left with x minus 5 is equal to, here this will give us 5 minus root x times 5 minus root x. This will give us x minus 5 is equal to 5 times 5 gives us 25. 5 times negative root x gives us negative 5 root x. Negative root x times 5 gives us negative 5 root x. Negative root x times negative root x, the result will be positive root x, all this squared. This will give us x minus 5 is equal to 25. Negative 5 root x minus 5 root x. This will simply give us a negative 10 root x plus this and this will go plus x. Next step, we are going to transfer all the terms we have at the right hand side to the left. So this will give us x. When x crosses this way, it becomes negative x minus x plus, when negative 10 root x crosses the equal to sign, it becomes positive plus 10 root x. 25, we are going to leave 25 at the right hand side, is equal to 25. Then we are going to carry negative 5 from the left hand side to the right hand side, plus 5 becomes positive. X and x will cancel, x minus x gives 0. We'll be left with 10 root x is equal to 25 plus 5 gives us 30. Next, we are going to divide both sides by 10. The equation of root x, 10 root x divided by 10 is equal to 30 divided by 10. You see that 10 will cancel 10. This will give us root x at the left hand side. We know 30 divided by 10 gives us 3. We will simply obtain root x is equal to 3. Root x equal to 3. For us to get the value of x, that means we need to remove this square root sign here. We are going to square both sides. Square both sides. This will be equal to 3 squared. We know this and this will cancel. X will simply be equal to 3 squared, which is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. At this level now, we can verify to see if the result is correct. That means if you replace x with 9 at the left hand side of the equation, if we simplify, we are going to obtain 5. We know the equation is simply root x plus root of x minus 5 is equal to 5. Let's verify and see. So if you put x equal to 9, if we put x equal to 9 at the left hand side of the equation, this will give us the root of x plus the root of x minus 5 will be equal to, I'll replace x in 9 plus the square root of 9 minus 5. So this will give us the square root of 9 is 3 plus the square root of 9 minus 5 is 4. So this will give us 3 plus the square root of 4 is 2. This will give us 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. And we are done with the solution.